Want to fix Instagram search not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to head over to Safari. In the address bar, search for Instagram outage. Head over to the very first site. In this page, you can check whether the server of Instagram is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. After that, move into App Store. In the address bar, search for Instagram. Right here, if you can see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. After that, move into the settings. Inside settings, you need to move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. Move into the application Instagram in this page. Tap on Offload app. Once again, click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.